So I'm in Illustrator. I'm gonna put my apple in. So I go to File, Place. Now I have to find my apple. Okay. That's the whole document. Alright. I just want one apple. And which one do I like? I want one that when it cuts, it's not gonna have like really small pieces. Actually, I think this one is probably the best because it's a little bit thicker. Or this one here. Oops, that has, oh, it's because I ungrouped everything. Or this one. The rest of them, see how the pieces seem so small? And these aren't even attached. Okay, so we'll just delete the rest of this. Alright, I'll group these back together. Alright, then I'm going to make this the size I want it to be. So I'm going to hold my shift key and press my mouse at the same time. It's about 5 inches. Maybe we'll make it like 6. So we can make the height 6 inches. Oops. Let's not do that. Let's do it this way. Shift, hold down till you see it say about 6. Okay, that's good. And I think this one will be fine. It should cut as one piece. We can, yeah, it should be. We can make it a path and it'll connect. We'll just use the same one for each. I don't think. I don't know which one looks better. I don't know if it matters. Cutting. Maybe this one is better. It's just simpler. Maybe this one's cuter. Okay, we'll use this one. Oh, actually, no, I'd rather use this one because see how small that is? That's gonna fall off. Alright, so this is it. So we have the little thing here, it's grouped. We're going to unite the path. That way it's all one piece. Now we're gonna type the name, text. I'm gonna do 2 different fonts. So it's MS for the first one. Make that a little bit bigger. Shift key. You can do view.
Mommy, can I have one? Your sponge is quick. I really need one.
So for Ms., I chose Goldie Rainbow, and then for the name, I chose the Skinny. So I have 2 teachers to make these for, so I'm going to try to make 2. Let me do Mary Ann, so that's Mariann. So we have Miss Brooke and Miss Mary Ann. Make sure it fits. That'll be cute. Alright, so this we're just gonna copy, paste. We got Mary Ann, 2 Mrs. These are just regular text, so what I'm going to do is type, or was it object? Let's type and create outlines. Okay. Same thing here, type, read outlines, type, read outlines, type, read outlines. Then we want to unite the path, unite the path. I guess this really doesn't matter. Okay. This I want to copy, paste in place, and then we'll just move it. This is about the size of the Glowforge sheet. I guess I can line these up later, but so there's our names. Going to save as. Sometimes if I save it as a PDF, it's just easier for some reason. So I'm gonna save it as a PDF, but I could save it as a SVG. A PDF. Create, upload from file, our teacher sign PDF. And there's everything. Enter settings. So we want this to cut. And we want these to cut too. And that's it. And then we're gonna plug in the machine and let these cut out. Okay, they are all cut out. Here's our paints and our little sponges. We're going to use this E6000 glue to glue the pieces on when we're finished. And we'll get started. Alright, I think that's good. Now we'll let it dry.
No,
Do the letters.
you want to use all the paint.
They're all painted. I stained the apples with this color wash tint from Michaels, and then I painted their names with these acrylic paint pens. I did 2 coats on the names, and I think it'll be enough. So next I'm gonna glue them on with some E6000, and then I'll show you how they turned out.